Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make fluffy donuts. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this donut recipe, we'll start by activating the yeast. So you're going to add 1 cup of warm water. After that you're going to add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Then you're going to give it a mix as shown. You then cover it and let it activate for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you are going to uncover, give it a mix as shown. Then you'll add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then we're going to give it a mix so that the egg should be well combined. After that we're going to add a half cup of sugar, but you can add less or more. After that we're going to give it a mix so that the sugar can be well dissolved. You'll then add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to the mixture. Then we're going to give it a mix after that. You'll then add 1/4 cup of milk powder. After that you're going to give it a mix so that the flour will be well combined. So you're going to mix to form a nice dough. After giving it a mix, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of margarine, but you can use butter instead. Then you're going to knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is soft. Your donut dough should be as soft as shown in this video. It should not be more sticky. Then you're going to remove from that bowl and place it on another bowl which you have applied some oil on it. Then you're going to cover and let the dough rest for about 45 minutes. While the dough is resting, you're going to cut in some baking paper. You're going to cut them into square as shown in this video because we'll use them for the donut. After 45 minutes, you have to check on the dough. Then you're going to remove the cling film and punch it to remove excess air bubbles in it. Then you're going to cut the dough into 12 pieces, small pieces. After cutting, you're going to mold the dough into a round nice dough as shown. Kindly do the process as shown. It will be smooth. You should make your donut shape as shown in this video. After that, you're going to flatten them using your hands. Then you're going to place them on the baking sheets, the one we have cutted. Make sure you put some flour on them. Then you're going to place it as shown in this video. After that, we're going to set them aside and repeat the process. As you can see, all are done. Then you're going to let them rest for about 1 hour so that they can rise. After 1 hour, they should be as shown. So your donuts are ready to be cooked. On a pan, you're going to heat some cooking oil. I've used vegetable oil. So you're going to test it using a skewer if it is ready. So you can see the bubbles, so it means the oil is ready. Then you're going to place in your donuts and start frying them. When cooking your donut, make sure your heat is on medium so that they can cook well inside. Don't cook them on high flames. You let the donuts cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before flipping them. After 3 minutes, you're going to flip them. As you can see, ours turned out so well. They have that nicely golden brown color. So you're going to let the other side also cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. Then you're going to repeat the process of frying until you are done with all the donuts. To my new subscribers, kindly feel welcome and thank you so much for choosing Terry's Kitchen. And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and the support. I don't take you for granted. Kindly be blessed for that. As you can see, our donut turned out so well. They look so soft and fluffy inside. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their fluffy donut at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.